Have you ever imagined a girl whom the entire world considered weak and left to die, returning one day so powerful that everyone who once looked down on her is forced to kneel before her? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting short drama series of 2026, a series that has been creating a huge buzz online. Yes, we are talking about The Wolfless returns as Alpha Queen. If you enjoy short mini series filled with fantasy, revenge, betrayal, powerful characters, and unexpected twists, then this drama might be exactly what you're looking for. So, let's begin with its unique storyline. The story revolves around our main character, Trishnaila. In the werewolf world, there is one powerful rule: those who possess wolf power are respected, feared, and given authority. But Naila's life has been completely different since childhood. Although she is born into a high ranking family, there is something unusual about her. She has no wolf power at all. Because of this, everyone calls her as wolfless. And this weakness turns her life into a nightmare. People look down on her, humiliate her, make fun of her, and treat her as if she could never become someone important or powerful. But things become even worse when the person Naila trusts the most betrays her. Yes, we're talking about the Ash Dragon King. Naila believes in him. She trusts him and considers him someone she can depend on. But in return, all she receives is betrayal. Believing Naila to be weak and useless, the Dragon King throws her into a deep abyss, leaving her there to die. He believes Naila's story is finally over. But my friends, this is where the real story begins. Naila does not die. Instead, during this deadly experience, she discovers a mysterious and terrifying power that completely changes her destiny. And that power is the legendary Frost Wolf power, as a power far more dangerous and extraordinary than the abilities of an ordinary werewolf. When Nyla finally returns, she is no longer the innocent, frightened, and helpless girl everyone once knew. There is no fear left in her eyes. Instead, there is confidence, there is power, and there is determination. She is no longer willing to bow before anyone because Naila has now become the Alpha Queen, and she has one clear mission. She wants to settle the score with her enemies, reclaim the honor that was stolen from her, and punish everyone who rejected and humiliated her because they believed she was weak. The same people who once mocked her by calling her wolfless now tremble at the sight of her. Nyla's journey may begin with revenge, but slowly the story becomes much bigger than her personal battle. Circumstances change, new dangers appear, and Nyla eventually finds herself fighting not only for revenge but also for the survival of the entire kingdom. The story brings together friendship, love, betrayal, battles for power, and plenty of action. All these elements combine to create a story that keeps viewers interested until the very end. Now, there. Let's talk about the characters and performances. Of course, we have to begin with Naila. One common problem with short dramas is that actors sometimes exaggerate their emotions, making certain scenes feel unrealistic. But Naila's character delivers some genuinely impressive emotional moments when she is still the weak and helpless girl. You can clearly see the pain and desperation in her eyes and facial expressions. You can feel how powerless she is in a world that refuses to accept her. But Everything changes after she receives the Frost Wolf power. When Nyla returns as the Asterisk Alpha Queen, her entire personality transforms. Her confidence, attitude, body language, and the way she stands fearlessly in front of her enemies make her transformation satisfying to watch. And this dramatic change is exactly what makes her character so interesting. Now, whenever we talk about mini-series or vertical drama, there is another important question we have to ask. How good are the production quality and VFX? As this is especially important for fantasy and werewolf dramas because CGI or as computer generated imagery plays a major role in making the supernatural elements believable. If the wolves or supernatural powers look fake, the entire experience can easily lose its impact. In Us, the Wolfless returns as Alpha Queen. The Frost Wolf scenes are presented with plenty of visual flair. The blue aura, icy powers, supernatural energy, and different frost effects help make several of the action sequences visually exciting. And when Nyla unleashes her Frost Wolf abilities, those effects add another layer of power to her character. Now, let's look at the positive and negative aspects of the drama so you can decide whether it is worth watching. Positive, the fast paced storyline, the story moves very quickly. It doesn't spend too much time on unnecessary scenes or extremely long emotional sequences that distract from the main plot. One major event happens, and soon after, another twist or confrontation arrives. Because of this fast pacing, the drama rarely feels boring. Second, a strong female lead. One of the biggest strengths of the series is Nyla herself. She isn't the kind of character who constantly needs someone else to rescue her. Once she discovers her true power, she begins making her own decisions. She confronts her enemies herself. She fights her own battles. And she refuses to allow others to control her destiny. That the independence makes her transformation into the Alpha Queen even more satisfying. Third, satisfying revenge. Some of the most entertaining moments in the drama come when Nyla finally stands face to face with the people who once humiliated her. These people believe she was weak, they laughed at her, they rejected her, and some even wanted her dead. But now, the same people have to face Nyla at the height of her power. Watching her enemies realize that the wolfless girl they once despised has become someone far more powerful than they ever imagined creates some very satisfying revenge moments. However, while the drama has plenty of strengths, it also has a few weaknesses. Negative point first, predictable tropes is if you have already watched a lot of fantasy, werewolf betrayal or revenge dramas, you may be able to predict some of the story's twists. A weak girl, betrayal by someone she trusted, being left for dead, suddenly discovering an extraordinary hidden power, and then returning stronger than everyone else. It is a formula that has appeared in many fantasy and revenge stories before. So, while the execution can still be entertaining, some parts of the storyline may feel familiar. Se- Second, the ending feels a little rushed. Some events near the end of the story seem to move very quickly. A few characters and the consequences of Nyla's revenge could have been explored in greater detail. Giving those moments a little more screen time might have made the ending feel even more satisfying and complete. Now we come to the biggest question. Should you watch a wolfless as alpha queen? If you enjoy fantasy, revenge stories, werewolf fiction, supernatural powers, and strong female protagonists, then this drama could definitely be worth checking out. Especially if you enjoy stories where a character who was once considered weak returns with incredible power and makes everyone who underestimated her regret their actions. The Naila's journey should be entertaining for you. It is a fast paced fantasy revenge drama that can be an enjoyable watch during your free time. And from me, The Wolfless returns as Alpha Queen gets 4.2 out of 5 stars. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think about The Wolfless returns as Alpha Queen? As have you watched all of its episodes? And most importantly, which Naila scene was your favorite? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to assess like like the video, assess, share it with your friends, and assess, subscribe to the channel for more exciting drama stories and recommendations. We'll meet again in the next video with another amazing drama review. Until then, goodbye and take care.